Light's about to turn red. Oh! That was sick. Yeah, that was pretty sick.
I'm gonna need gas kind of soonish.
How quick let's stop in the speedway?
Right now? Now we should,
If you're going straight, it's not something on the way.
going straight. Yeah, keep going.
What are you gonna do if the cops pull up, Andy? You gonna run?
Yep. I'm with you. Y'all gotta stay with me, dumbass.
I don't know about that.
Don't panic.
I don't know about that. I think we're just
Alright.
Anyone have their plates down?
Alright, go fuck yourself then.
we're just leaving you in the dust.
Every man for himself.
Exactly.
Alright, there you go.
May the last man win. Don't some guys sound like this kid, right? I said, don't some guys sound like this kid.
Yeah, you do.
Who's speaking right now?
You sound like even more gay though. That's the only thing. You sound like me, but more gay. Oh shit! Should I pull in Alonzo? Whoa! His foot fell off. He got scared. Raul got you. When are you guys gonna get this good?
I just don't know how to fucking,
Oh! Whoa, Andy! Andy, got a peg! See what you got. Not bad. Woo! That's pretty nice. Alright, Chris, now you gotta do a wheelie with them. Oh, do you guys smell that? Smells good. Oh my god, how the fuck do you bunny hop? Holy fuck piece of shit. Chris's dick's really average and the tip's pink.
I'm talking about my secrets.
Why am I talking about your secrets? I didn't like that.
That was weird.
I'll turn the bike on.
Chris, I was walking my bike backwards and I dropped it. Yeah, good thing I got those little drop pads. Oh! She's a squirter. Yeah, it smells over here. Fucking stinks. No, it doesn't. Yeah, that shit looks sick. Let's go, Chai Town. Yeah, it looks sick.
I want to see this shit when it's done.
Yeah, I got you. There's some dope on the floor by you, Andy. Some free dope.
Where?
To your left.
Oh shit. Would you look at that?
They laced it though with fucking fentanyl.
Street fight the gas station?
Some truffle cake. Oh shit! You see it, Chris? It fucking threw right at you.
Because that, like, how high did I get that one up there? Halfway? So I should go higher? Fuck. You said what?
So that was kind of good. You almost seemed like you were about to hold it.
Oh,
You.
shit. That was a little scary.
Hey, tell him don't twist the throttle.
She said don't.
Gradually, like ease it. You know?
So don't twist the throttle. Like yeah, like ease it.
Ease it.
You don't
Yeah.
want that choppy. You want it nice and controlled.
When I pop it?
Don't. Yeah. When you pop it, don't chop it.
Yeah, that was better. That was a good one too. See what you got, Chris. Oh, that was so sick. Andy looks like he's getting the hang of it.
Yeah, he is.
That wasn't bad.
Scared you.
That wasn't bad.
That shit was high. Put your panties right in your punch.
That was a good one. Damn.
Stop chasing him, man. I know, I'm trying to slow it down. What's on this car goes? You ever get on the right? Come on.
He's not gonna go. I think he wants to watch us. It's a little sick fuck.
Going 10 miles an hour. I'm back here. You don't want to watch us.
Maybe he does.
Way too fast. Let me see how fast I'm
Whoa, Chris.
Second gear is where it's at for this bike. Third. You think third? Third at like 15 to 20 miles an hour. Who, me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Third gear. Yeah, but if I'm just trying to do these like slow ones, then probably second. Because third is.
That was good. You were chasing it though, but that was good. Oh shit.
This shit ain't normal. God damn.
This shit ain't normal.
God damn. Damn.
Oh shit.
Damn. Turn around.
That shit was crazy. Dude, I need a good fucking thumbnail and like a good like teaser for the video. So Andy, I need you to just fucking crash right now. Just crash into the fucking pole, dude.
Don't you got some good video of me in the
Oh! Nah, I definitely got some good footage.